Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to use an electronic parking brake. In this video, I'll be going over the process and the instructions for using an electronic parking brake in my 2017 Honda CR-V. Now let's get right to it. As you can see, this is the button for the electronic parking brake right here. You can push it down or pull it up. And then if you look over here on the dashboard, that little light right down there that's not illuminated right now is the light for the electronic parking brake. Now let's get right to it. This is how to use it. When you want to engage the electronic parking brake, all that you have to do is pull it up. So right now, as you can see, before I pull it up, you can see that it's not illuminated, so the parking brake is not engaged. We pull this up, and I can actually hear a slight noise of the parking brake engaging. And as you can see right here, that light right there shows you that the parking brake right over there is indeed engaged. Now, to release the parking brake or to disengage it, what you have to do is put your foot down on the brake pedal and hold it down and then push this down. So you push the brake pedal down and then you push this down. And as you can see right over here, the light is now turned off. Therefore, that means that the parking brake is indeed disengaged. Now, there's actually another way in this vehicle to disengage the parking brake without even touching this button, and it works in this vehicle. I can't say that it works with all vehicles that have an electronic parking brake, but it does work in this way in this vehicle. So what you have to do is you have to make sure that your seatbelt is on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put my seatbelt on. Let's go ahead and buckle up just like that. And then we're actually going to engage the parking brake. So you'll be able to see that I'm engaging the parking brake right now. You can see that it is indeed turned on. There's a light right there. Now, the way in this vehicle that you can easily disengage the parking brake is when you have your seatbelt on, you put the car in drive. As you can see, the car's in drive. The parking brake is still engaged. But what I can do now is I just release the brake, and I'm releasing the brake. The car is not moving still, okay? But the moment that I press the gas pedal, what happens is the parking brake will disengage. So watch this. I'm just going to press the gas pedal, and as you can see, the parking brake has disengaged. So that's another cool little way that you can disengage the parking brake, is if your seatbelt is on in this car at least. I don't know if it works with every car, but this is a feature for this specific car. If your seatbelt is on and the parking brake is engaged, you just put the car in drive and you press the gas pedal, and the parking brake will disengage as the car begins to move forward. And that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you how to use an electronic parking brake. It's a very simple tutorial, and I just wanted to go over the basic operations for engaging and disengaging the parking brake. And before I finish the video, I will just show you that if I engage the parking brake, as you can see, it's turned on right now, and I actually try to disengage it without my foot on the brake pedal, watch what the dashboard displays. It says to release parking brake, push the brake, and then push the actual parking brake button. So I'm trying to release it without my foot on the brake pedal. It beeps and it tells me that I have to have my foot on the brake pedal. So just another little added piece of information. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.